as we talked more to this person, and as as the F&I manager followed more of our policies, he started to think, maybe something's up, like I said. Then the part where Informativ kind of, came in and did a great job. And what it's meant to do is, already had some suspicions, and then when we scanned the ID and it came back fraudulent, obviously that really triggered that F&I managers to call me. And then obviously using your system the way it's intended to be used, and having that reassurance. I think, in the past we didn't have this platform, and then when we were able to get, do something like scan that ID and have that confidence in your technology, that makes you, really feel confident in, how you might be feeling.